Hello everyone, welcome back to our Adobe Premiere Pro full video editing tutorial series. If you missed our first video of this project, don't forget to watch that from our video description link. In this part 2, I'm going to share with you how you can import media files and how you can organize them to your Adobe Premiere Pro project to make a better video editing interface to your Adobe Premiere Pro projects. So, coming up. After coming here to our Adobe Premiere Pro, we are going to create a new project, which already I have shared with you on our first video, how you can create project and about basic tools using interface in our first video. I also told you again, if you missed our first video of this project, please don't forget to watch that. Okay, so after creating a project, like we are creating a project by name of part 2 tutorial. Click here from create button and go through this workspace by editing interface. So now we are in the editing interface. At first you have to create a video editing sequence. So for that you can go from the file section and to the drop down menu you will get the sequence settings. Also you can make a new sequence using Command N or Control N from your Windows version of device. So after coming here, you have to select the sequence settings and what is the aspect ratio of your video which you want to edit about your video editing interface. So we are going to select a 1920:1080p, which is 16:9 30 fps video project. You can also go to the settings section where you can select ARRI camera, cinema or RE cinema. Our video is about 30 is into 2, that means 60 fps video we have shooted for our editing purpose. So for that we are going to set 30 fps, which is multiplied by 60, 30, 90 and 120. And after that we are going to set here a name of the sequence like editing. Okay, so after creating this project, now we are going to learn how we can import our files and organize them to get a better experience to edit your videos in Adobe Premiere Pro. So for that we are making a bin, which is a folder like a roll, and you can also make from here. Just click on the new bin bar. Here we are going to write B-roll. So a roll, which is your main video of your project, like we are talking to this camera and my face cam video is the main part of this video series, right? So my face cam video is the A roll, and if you are going to use some B-roll and cinematic shoots to your videos, then those kind of videos are B-roll. Or you have used screen records like me, then you can set B-roll like your screen record video. Okay, so we are importing here first our A-roll videos. After coming here, we are going to the import section by clicking right button. So importing our video like these two footages. Okay, then we already imported our two footage of A-roll, which is our main part of this video. Then we can go to the B-roll section if you have. Then we are uploading import from here. Then this kind of videos we are making for B-roll. Okay, this and this import. Your B-roll and A-roll has been uploaded to your media files. Now if you have any kind of music or sound design section, then you can make a new folder for your music or sounds. On this way you can create multiple folders or multiple bins about your video editing project. Like you have A-roll, you have B-roll, you have cinematic shoots, you have multiple cameras like GoPro, DSLRs and your main camera, red camera, etc, etc. You can make multiple different folders for your editing, make easier. Okay, so we have select these 3 folders for our editing purpose, and this is the organizing system. So I will give you short tips to make your project safer for your client. You can create a different folder or a specific folder for your every single project. For this purpose, you can go through your main folder where you are going to save this project. So like we are creating a folder to our desktop, So our folder name will be editing or SRA project, right? So this is our SRA project. So here we can make 3 folders like footages, then project, then assets. Okay, or you can also make a b-roll, etc. Okay, so these 4 folders will be helpful for your video editing project if you want to save and if you want to protect your every single project. So in here on the assets bar, you can save your all kind of assets like images, your graphics, your musics, and etc, etc, which will be using on your Adobe Premiere Pro projects on your respective project. And b-roll is the b-roll footages, and footages is your main footages of the editing purpose shooted videos, and projects where you have to save your project. Like when we are making a project to save, from here we have to save as, and then we have to select the folder. We are going to the Adobe Premiere Pro desktop section, and now this is the Adobe SRA project, and this is the project file. Now you can make a project name and then save your file. So if you do this, if you make and organize your folders in Adobe Premiere Pro, then you can not have to be missed your Adobe Premiere Pro project. If you need to make editing and make more correction in future, then this will really help you to get any kind of distraction of your project. Okay, so this was the video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. In our next videos, we will share with you how you can upload a video to your timeline where you can edit your videos, and how you can use this kind of features like trimming, using transitions, etc, etc. I will told you and I will show you in the next part of the video where you will learn these things. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get our next episode of this series and this kind of videos of our channel, and share with your friends. Leave a nice comment. Have a great day. Bye bye.